express yourself and you can inspire others. Those who came here, all are winners. Why? Because you are the selected students. Congratulations to each and every student and parent. Clap yourself everyone. Congratulations everyone. And dear parents, I am very thankful to you all. Why? Because you are the backbone of this program. In the holidays also we have conducted Zoom sessions. You attended very well. Thank you so much for your encouragement of our students. And special thanks to all the management, those who came from the central office and RST team, soft skills. And special thanks to host branch principal ma'am. So children, you have to prove the voice of Narayana here. Everyone, you are proving here voice of Narayana. All the very best, dear children. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I appreciate each and every parent. I am really very thankful to each and every parent and all the class teachers, vice principals, host branch principals, and all the principals and soft skills trainers, everyone. With your help, with your support, today champs, little champs, they presented very well. I felt very happy. Thank you very much. This is a wonderful gift to me. My students are presenting on the stage. It was really wonderful gift to a teacher. For all the teachers, it was a really wonderful gift. Thank you all the students. I wish you good luck, not only in the competitions, in the exams, in the results, everywhere. We have to prove ourselves. Just now Rashmi madam told that you are presenting Narayana voice everywhere. So I believe that this is my 6th year journey in Narayana. I believe that Narayana is always #1 institution. Everywhere it is rocking. We have 700 plus branches. Everywhere we are rocking. So in the Nizamabad entire zone also, Narayana is always rocking. Will be rocking in the future also. Thank you everyone, and special thanks to AGM sir. I really thankful to him because every time he supported us. He has given a good opportunity to make all the things beautiful. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.
My village after 8 years. That sounds interesting. When I saw my village, I am so interested to know more about it. Villages often have Be friendly with everyone. And this is Pritika of 6th grade. We are from Digambal branch. Today our topic name is My Village. So let's start our topic. Pritika, what is a village? Village is a beautiful place and full of natural beauty. It is surrounded by green trees, tall trees and colorful flowers. The birds sing sweetly in the morning. Ooh, it seems so good. Ashik, look at this. This is a beautiful scenery of a village. Ooh, what is your village name? My village name is Brahmandar. Where it is located? It is located in the Telangana state, Adilabad district. Oh, wow. It is so exciting. You know, Ashik, the people of my village are friendly in nature, very kind and helpful. Their occupation is farming. They grow crops, vegetables, fruits, etc. in a field without using any fertilizer in an organic form. They communicate in Telangana slang language which has an unique style. Ashik, do you know anything about village? Yes, of course. A village is a nature, green land, rivers, hills and mountains. Animals like cow, buffalo, which gives us fresh and pure milk. Village has peaceful and pleasant environment. Festivals like Dasara, Diwali, Sankranti, Batkama, etc. Batkama is the biggest festival in my village, where women gather and play the Batkama near the lake and they immerse the Batkama in that lake. Pritika, do you love your village? Why not? Of course, I love my village because peaceful nature, friendly people and lots of happy memories are connected to my village. Yes, I also love my village. Do you all love your village? What are you reading, Arpita? Why are you asking? What book are you reading? Okay, can you say the book name? No, I will not say. Then say any character of that book. Oh, it is interesting. I will say special skills of the character. He is super smart and observant. He is extraordinary and detective intellect. Oh, I am not getting it. Can you say his appearance? Okay, his appearance is very long coat and a deep darker hair. He also carries a magnifying glass. I got one character in my mind. It may be correct or wrong. Can you give any hint? Yes, his best friend is Dr. Watson, a kind and a brave doctor. Oh, we are talking about... Yes, I am talking about my favorite storybook character, Sherlock Holmes. I will tell you few lines about Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes is a famous character of detective stories. He was created by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. You're saying your favorite character. Can you give any brief details about Sherlock Holmes? Yes, of course. He is clever and cool. He loves to Define yourself. You know your hard work better than anyone else. Believe in your effort and keep your focus.
Maybe I think too much about others. I should focus on my preparation instead.
Exactly. And remember, even if you don't know every answer, you do your best. That's what really matters.
Oh, you know, last time I was scared before my science exam, but I still calm and score well.
See, that's the truth. When you believe in yourself, good things happen. Confidence helps shine in the measure.
I agree. Confidence is really like a magic. The more you believe, the stronger it becomes.
Yes, and believing in yourself is not just for exam. It helps you in sports, business, and even life challenges.
True. From now, I'll stop my doubting myself and I'll say, I can do this.
That's the spirit of the shield. Always remember, success starts the moment you believe in yourself.
Thank you. I feel much better now. I'm ready to face the exam with full of confidence.
Great, let's say it together. Believe in yourself because when you believe, you achieve. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to participate in
గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ఈరోజు నిజామాబాద్ పట్టణంలో నిజామాబాద్ జోన్ నారాయణ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ యొక్క ఎంఓసి ప్రోగ్రాం జరిగింది. ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంలో ఆర్మూర్ బ్రాంచ్, కామారెడ్డి బ్రాంచ్ అండ్ నిజామాబాద్ బ్రాంచ్ విద్యార్థులు ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ నుంచి 9th క్లాస్ వరకు విద్యార్థులు పాల్గొనడం జరిగింది. దీని యొక్క ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం ఏంటిదంటే మేనేజ్మెంట్ ద్వారా స్థాపించడం ఏంటంటే దీని యొక్క ఉద్దేశము విద్యార్థులు దాగి ఉన్న అన్ని కోణం నుంచి కూడా బయటకు తీసే ఉద్దేశంతో కార్యక్రమం స్టార్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇది ఏ విధంగా చేస్తారంటే బ్రాంచ్ లెవెల్లో ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ స్టూడెంట్ను జోనల్ లెవెల్లో తీసుకొచ్చి ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ విద్యార్థులకు ప్రైజ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొంటున్న విద్యార్థులకు మరియు బ్రాంచ్ ప్రిన్సిపాల్స్ అందరికీ, కోఆర్డినేటర్స్కు మరియు ఆర్ఎండ్స్కు, ముఖ్యంగా హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి వచ్చిన ఆర్ఎండి స్పాట్స్ఫిల్ ఆర్ఎంగి రవికుమార్ సార్కు అందరికీ కూడా ఈ కార్యక్రమం యొక్క శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఇంకొకసారి విద్యార్థులందరికీ కూడా కంగ్రాచులేషన్. అందరూ కూడా ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ఇప్పటివరకు జరిగిన పోటీలలో అయితే చాలా బాగా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇంకా ముందు కూడా హై స్కూల్ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా చేసి వాళ్ళు ఏదైతే స్టేజ్ ఫియర్ ఉంటుందో అది బయటకు తీసే ఉద్దేశంతో పిల్లలకు రేపు ఏదైనా మంచి ఆపర్చునిటీ వస్తే స్టేజ్ ఫియర్స్ ఉండకుండా చేసే ప్రయత్నంలోనే ఈ భాగంలోనే ఈ ప్రోగ్రాం కాబట్టి అందరూ కూడా ఈ ఎంఓసి ప్రోగ్రామ్ను గ్రాండ్ సక్సెస్ చేస్తారని ఆశిస్తూ అందరూ కూడా ఈ కార్యక్రమ శుభాకాంక్షలు.
A very good evening to everyone. Master Orator Contest is one of the program which enhance the skills among the students to make them confident in their presentation skills, communication skills, and also to avoid the stage fear. This Master Orator Contest is very useful. This we are doing 6th time, that means season 6. Last 6 years this initiative has been continuing. Particularly this year it is a bit unique. This time we are encouraging raising voices students as well as master orators students. Raising voices are nothing but B1 and B2 category, that means basic and better category. B3 students means best students. So to encourage them and to enhance their skills, we are came up with this kind of initiative. Hope students are presented very well and they are going to get the encouragement accordingly. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity
for me to attend this program. Why? Because earlier I never attended this type of program. My daughter studies in first class, so this is an excellent opportunity for her to cascade, showcase her talent and come out of stage fear, and opportunity to meet other school, other batchmates and everyone. So I thought it's a wonderful effort taken by Narayana management, and excellent opportunity for each and every student who got an opportunity to take participation in this. Thank you.
Armour branch Narayana school నుంచి మా అమ్మాయి ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్, సెకండ్ క్లాస్, థర్డ్ క్లాస్ బాగానే చదువుతుంది. కానీ వాళ్ళలో ఉన్న టాలెంట్ అనేది బయటికి ఎలా తీసుకురావాలా అనేది ఆ టీచర్స్కే కానీ పేరెంట్స్కే కానీ, పేరెంట్స్ కంపల్సరీ పడతారు. 24 hours మేము ఇంటికాడ చేస్తాం. మాకన్నా ఆ టీచర్స్ పెయిన్ ఎంత ఉంటుందో తెలుసా? 4 hours అమ్మా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఆ టీచర్స్ పెయిన్ వాళ్ళకి హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్. అమౌంట్ పెట్టడం గొప్ప కాదు, వాళ్ళకి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి వాళ్ళలో ఉన్న టాలెంట్ గుర్తుపెట్టి స్టేజ్ మీద పర్ఫార్మెన్స్, ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్ స్టేజ్ ఎక్కి మాట్లాడుతుంది అంటే వాళ్ళలో టాలెంట్ గుర్తు చేసి వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్కి అండ్ టీచర్స్కి అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ నారాయణ బ్రాంచ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ. 1 second.